Hello, ladies and gentlemen. We're gonna be playing some Killing Floor 2. It's a zombie shoot 'em up. I would put it that way, I guess. We're just gonna jump into it. We're gonna do a solo. How's that sound? And let's try that one. Sure. Looks good. Let's do it. I'm ready. After the very long loading screen. Woohoo! I've never played this map either, so let's do it. Oh, hello.
And here come your first
Fuck game. Wow, that 4 frames a second was great.
Gotcha!
I missed.
Tear 'em a new one. Mean little bastard.
Fuck. Oh no.
Oh, holy shit! Knock the bugger down. Sweet little bullet.
That was the last one. Get to the indicated pod for resupply.
Well, that could have gone smoother.
You got out unscathed. Très bien.
Autofill. I guess. That seems good. Alright, let's not be in here, because this...
They knew how to build stuff back then.
Ooh, what's this? Nothing. I do not like being in here at all.
We're almost out of time. Make your choices.
This is a little bit better. I think I could work with this room. Yeah, I can make this work.
Hurry up. Zeds are getting closer.
MP7. Afterlife German engineering.
More Zeds on the scope. Back to it, mes amis.
Watch it! Tear 'em a new one.
I see you.
Be sure. Reloading, reloading. Incoming Zeds, folks. You like that? Hit the bastard. Get him while we have the chance.
Fuck.
Bugger! I ain't done. Good stuff.
Oh, that's dead.
Perfect. Pod is open again. Let's get you restocked.
Like I said, I get super fucking quiet in this game. I
Survived without a
apologize.
scratch, huh? You are one very slippery neck. I approve.
MP7. Afterlife German engineering, eh?
Where the fuck is this bitch? I still don't have enough to get a vector. Where the fuck are you taking me?
MP7. Afterlife German engineering.
We'll sell you. We'll get you, I guess. That'll work.
Yeah, we got snow.
I don't like that last area. We're gonna find a new area.
Last chance. I have to power down the pod. Time's up. Go kill some Zeds.
This isn't too bad. Lots of open areas.
Smack the bugger down! Stay.
You've dented their numbers, but there are plenty left.
You like that? Sweet. The old best mate. Keep it going.
The fuck are you?
That was the last one. Get to the indicated pod for resupply.
Woohoo!
You got out unscathed. Très bien.
Because I'm amazing at this game.
Christmas.
Playing a normal. Almost went through all my ammo though. That's unfortunate.
Buy more ammo. You're running low.
No. I guess we'll just save our money.
Fine. Classic submachine gun.
Not sure.
Sealing the door. No one's getting through there. I'm welding this door.
Hurry up. Zeds are getting closer.
Job done. Fine. Classic submachine gun.
Pod's closed. Go make a difference.
Did I probably trap myself out here? Yes. Is that okay? Probably not.
Yeah, we got snow. Gotcha! Wanna be sure.
Fuck.
Blood siren! Ah! Look out! Smack the bugger down! You like that?
Oh, fuck. Hello.
The old best mate. Terrible.
Oh, hello.
Trip down memory lane.
Oh, fuck. Hello.
Down, dinosaur! Watch it! Keep it going. Stay down, you bastard.
Shit. That's unfortunate.
Scraping back! Bollocks! Reloading! Good stuff!
Glad to see you made it through. Make for the pod and clear out.
Haven't run out of ammo in a while. That was
That's Greg.
scary.
Oof. You took it down hard.
Looks like sodding Christmas. Oh, good stuff that.
Can I get my vector? Still can't get my vector! Wait. Yes, I can. Okay. This is acceptable. I love this gun. Okay, this area fucking sucked ass.
Time's
Wait,
almost
4-7.
up.
Oh yeah. We got this.
Time's up. Go kill some Zeds.
The music goes 0 to 100 real fucking quick. I'm not complaining, just
Keep it going.
an observation.
Hit the bastard.
Fuck. Oh,
Holy
hello.
shit! Get me with the trigger finger. Keep it going. I'm on fire!
Okay. Ow. Yep.
Smack the bugger down!
I hear him behind me.
Siren!
Fuck.
Watch out for it! Oh, my ears!
Oh, Jesus Christ!
Batch out. Nice work. We can reopen the trigger pods.
Fucking traumatized thanks to a fucking nutcracker.
Keep it going.
That was the last one. Get to the indicator.
I
pod
just
for
shit my
supply.
pants. Holy fuck. I didn't think it was that.
You know how to stay alive out there.
I
A
guess.
good instinct.
Oh my god.
Hello. You need ammo.
I need everything.
Take it.
I also need to pick up another gun. Fuck. Let's try the Tommy gun. Okay. Holy fuck, dude. Alright.
There's Zeds on the scope. Must close the pod very soon.
Oh my god, that's terrifying. Fuck no, I remember this area.
Hurry up. Zeds are getting closer.
That was not enjoyable.
Pod closed. Go make
I
a
want that
difference.
known.
It's close. Good stuff. Get me with the trigger finger.
I heard it. What the fuck was that?
A decent beginning. Let's call that your warm-up.
Bitch! Smack the bugger down!
No?
That's what happens when I'm angry. Good stuff.
I don't know what the fuck that is, but you can suck the biggest dick.
new one. It's got some kind of cloaking tech. The old man can still shoot. It's cloaked.
Shit!
Hit the bastard. Fuck! Reload. He looks pissed.
I would be too!
Good stuff.
Now, when you're done, I can reopen the trader pod.
You like that?
Well, let's go ahead and save some ammo and do
Tear him a
this.
new one.
Yeah. Oh.
Silent! Watch out for a screen!
Sorry. Left my phone on.
Glad to see you made it through. Make for the pod and gear up. I'm impressed by your survival instinct out there.
Well, thank you, random lady. I like living.
That stuff still work?
But then it gives you like a minute and a half to get to this bitch, because otherwise I would never have a gun.
Glad you made it back. Don't bleed on anything.
Fuck it, that's not great either. Got max ammo, we got a couple guns. Gotta reload this bitch. See if I can buy some more ammo. Nope.
Time's almost up. Vite. All Zeds on the scope. Back to it, mes amis.
This stuff's what got us here. Gotcha!
Holy fuck, hello!
The old man can still shoot. Tear him a new one.
You're dead, you just don't know it yet.
Be sure. I can still see it. Just hit the bastard. You like that? It's got some kind of cloaking. Gotta be sure.
Fuck off! Whoever's hitting me, fuck off.
Gotcha! Just picking them up. It's close. Good stuff.
Something over there needs to die!
Shit!
I'm panicking.
It's practice. Black down!
Oh god, my aim. Oh god, I cornered myself. Grenade.
Stop! Finish it!
Got it. Okay.
You like that? need ammo! Wanna be sure.
Make these last purchases count.
Okay. It wasn't too bad. We got through it.
That's better.
Damn near shit myself again.
Buy
But
more
you know
ammo.
what?
You're
Oh well.
running low.
Let's get rid of you. No? Yeah, let's get rid of you. Get the P90. 'Cause I like both those. Then we'll upgrade you. No. We'll upgrade you at least. Okay. Let's get the fuck up out of here.
There's a weapon here.
I don't really want
We're
the weapon.
almost out of time.
Gotta be
Make
honest.
your choices.
How many bullets do you usually have? Ah, you're full. Okay, good.
That is bloody putrid.
Ooh, what are you?
Last
Body
chance.
armor.
I have to power down the pod.
I don't like this area. Keep going.
Pod's closed. Go make a difference.
Who be the boss? Krampus. Big fan. Big fan. Okay.
Hit the bastard.
Oh, he's got armor. I see.
Look sharp, people. Squeeze. Come on, come on. Stay down, you bastard. Keep it going.
Can you not?
Look out. You know that.
Right, I'm using the wrong gun here.
Tear on the new one. Got it. Look sharp, people.
What the fuck's going on? Oh, I picked up duels?
Keep it going. Sweet. The old man can still shoot.
Fuck.
Keep it going. Get me with the trigger finger. Look out! Down they go.
Alright, I do not want to be in here with this big asshole.
Sweet.
Oh, that's all I got. Okay.
Back up! The old man can still shoot.
Fuck off. Emma.
Tear him a new one. Incoming Zeds, folks. Stay down, you bastard. Hit the bastard. What? Reloading. Just a couple more hits.
Oh, that's bad. Ouch! Ouch!
Ammo drop over here. Shit! Big boys! Oh, good stuff, man. Tear 'em a new one. Want to be sure. That is practice.
Krampus! Nice! Play nice. Already out of here. Nailed it. You did it! Fuck you, big boy! Well, I hope you guys enjoyed. I know this was riveting commentary from me, but gotta concentrate, man.